When you open the Facebook Messenger application and received a prompt stating that you can send messages for a specific number of days due to a violation of Facebook community standards, one quick way to fix this is by going to your web browser. Search for Facebook community standards, familiarize yourself with them, and review them to determine if you have violated any rules. If it turns out that you have violated the community standards and received a ban, the best course of action is to wait for the specified number of days until the ban is lifted, allowing you to use the Facebook Messenger application again. However, if you believe you haven't violated any rules, you can submit a ticket to Facebook. To do this, open the chat where you have faced the problem or saw the community standards warning prompt. Shake your device to access the reported problem feature and provide details about your situation, explaining that you're unable to send messages without understanding the reason behind the ban. Include specific information and evidence to support your claim, select the relevant category like Other, Chat and Calls, and submit your request. Wait for Facebook to take action and hopefully resolve your issue within a few business days. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.